Hello students, today in this video we are going to discuss unit number 7, Days to Remember. As you already know, every year some days are observed as important days. For example, 15 January it's Army Day, then 26th January Republic Day, 15 August it's a Independence Day. So here also we have to remember few days. So let us begin with the first topic, that is the World Literacy Day. The World Literacy Day is celebrated on the 8th of January. We are lucky to be literate. We know how to read and write. But as you already know, few children they can't afford education. So they are unlucky. But we people are lucky. Literacy for everyone should be our motto. Second one is the Army Day. This day reminds us of our sacrifices made by our soldiers of our country. We should be grateful to them because we are safe because of their sacrifices. They are working day and night, and then at night we are sleeping peacefully. So 15 January is celebrated as Army Day. Next is World Religion Day. 17 January, it is known as World Religion Day. You know, in world, so many religions are there. All the religions speak love, unity and brotherhood. So, we have to celebrate this day as 17th January. Next is 26th January, that you already know. So this day is celebrated as the Republic Day. It reminds us of the greatness of the Indian Constitution, represented by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 28th February, celebrated as National Science Day. Scientific developments have greatly useful to the man. You can see in our day-to-day life, so many inventions are there which made our life easiest. 8th March is celebrated as International Women's Day, and you know, in each and every field, women plays an important role in the society. So women should be respected and protected. Next is World Day of Water. 22nd March is celebrated as a Water Day. You know, the existence of the life is totally based on water. So it's our responsibility to save water and keep the environment unpolluted. Then 7th April, it is celebrated as World Health Day. It is observed to make people aware of the importance of having a good health, because healthy mind resides in the healthy body. If we are having good health, then we can surely succeed in our life. 22nd April is celebrated as Earth Day. You know, Earth, where we are living. We are living on the Earth. So it's our duty to protect the Mother Earth. Let's keep away everything that harms the Earth. Then 28th April, it's Child Labor and Abolition Day. When we are in school, thousands of our friends are compelled for the child labor. They are exploited. So let's fight against it. So we have to abolish this child labor. Next is May 1. May 1, International Labour Day. The workers should be subjected to any kinds of exploitation. We should give them due respect. So we should respect all the workers. Anti-Tobacco Day is celebrated on the 31st May. Use of tobacco is very dangerous threat to us. So every year lakhs of people die due to this threat. So we should fight against it. We should fight against smoking. World Environment Day. 5th June is celebrated as World Environment Day. We should protect our environment because it's very crucial for the existence of life on the earth. So we should protect it. Anti-Drugs Day. 26 June is celebrated as Anti-Drug Day. You know, the use of drugs is a growing issue in our society. So it destroys physical as well as mental health of a person. So we should say no to the drugs. So we should celebrate Anti-Drug Day on the 26th June. 27th June. It's a World Diabetes Day. You know, the diabetes, it is what? It is a lifestyle disease. We can prevent it just by exercising, and we should eat the nutritious and healthy food. Then we can avoid this diabetes. 15th August. You already know it's celebrated as a Independence Day. And we got freedom on this day from foreign powers. So it's a duty to remain united and protect the freedom of our country. 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day. You know, the teachers plays important role in the life of the student. So we should respect teachers and we should listen to the teachers. Okay? Teachers always guide the students to their right path. 4th October, World Animal Welfare Day. Just like human beings, animals also have a right to survive. So, it's our duty. We should protect animals like human beings. 14th November, Children's Day. You know, the Children's Day is celebrated on the birthday of the Jawaharlal Nehru. He loved children for their innocence, simplicity and enthusiasm. So 14 November is celebrated as Children's Day. December 1, World's AIDS Day. You know, AIDS is the growing threat to the human society. This day is observed to convince people of the dangers of the disease. So this disease is very harmful. Then 23rd December, it's a Farmer Days. You know, the food which we are eating, that is the result of the hard work of the farmers. We should not neglect the contribution of the farmers to our society. So these dates are very important. So we should know about their existence and what is their importance. So try to learn each and every date. These are very important dates. So I hope you get the idea also what is given in the chapter. So in the next video, we will discuss the question answers related to this chapter. Thank you very much.